Well, here the Landmaster is all assembled in the gray primer. All the pieces are molded and done. This is ready for paint. It comes in at about 16.5 inches long. Yeah, about 16.5, and about 6 inches high to the top of the rocket pot. Anyhow, wow. Actually, to this point, the scale is 1/25. The reason why I chose 1/25 is it's model car scale. So it is a movie car. So I think there's a lot more 1/25 scale movie cars than anything else, and it's not really an armor vehicle. It's more of a movie car. So that's a 25th scale Dodge Charger. So takes up a hell of a lot of shelf space. Yeah, so pretty happy with the way it came out. A lot slower than I thought it would be, but making video while you're building slows things down too. So I am going to be building another one. Just see how fast that goes. But for now, decals are coming in for it. Going to start laying some paint down on it. The inside right here, if I don't want to display it with the center section to keep it straight, I have this fabric one right here. Well, simulated fabric, it's hard plastic. And it's all held together with magnets, so I could have a nice bent version like that, so you get kind of a nice arc to it. I didn't want to go too extreme with it. I could probably do one in the future, but I'm liking the way that this is right now. Got the gas caps on there now. The only thing that's missing is some antenna coming off the side here and one right out the center there. That's all after stuff. Pretty happy with it. I'm going to set the camera at a lower angle and take a few more pictures. Thanks for watching.